Hi, my name is Amanda Mixon. I'm a physician assistant practicing in Northern Colorado, and I'm the president of RhAPP. We're very excited to launch lupus nephritis education centered around the recently updated ACR guidelines. We have a series of FAQs like you'll be watching here, podcasts, and medication reviews so that you can stay up to date with the latest. Okay, let's get right into it. The last lupus nephritis guidelines from ACR were published in 2012. This is clinically significant because we have had new therapies approved for lupus nephritis since then. We used to have an induction phase of high-dose steroids plus mycophenolate or cyclophosphamide, followed by mycophenolate for maintenance. And since then, Belimumab and Voclosporin have been approved and really have been a game changers in our approach for how we treat lupus nephritis patients. Like I said, we've gone from this induction to maintenance and now to targeting different pathways in the immune system on an ongoing basis. Our goal is always to preserve kidney function and improve morbidity and mortality, but we want to do that while minimizing medication toxicities. Of course, we know that steroids are life-saving, but at high doses, they can cause significant toxicities to our patients. The new guidelines call for starting at a lower dose glucocorticoid regimen. So after an initial IV pulse, we then start at 0.5 milligrams per kilogram per day with a max dose of 40 milligrams daily and have a goal of getting patients down to 5 milligrams per day within 6 months. The guidelines call for triple therapy in patients with stage 3 lupus nephritis and stage 4 lupus nephritis. So this means glucocorticoids plus mycophenolate and Belimumab, or mycophenolate and a calcineurin inhibitor, or low-dose cyclophosphamide and Belimumab. In patients with class 5 lupus nephritis with a protein in the urine greater than 1 gram per gram, triple therapy consists of glucocorticoids, mycophenolate, and a calcineurin inhibitor. We should be monitoring all of our lupus patients frequently and having them do frequent urine tests to monitor for proteinuria. It's important to remember that time is, unfortunately, kidney tissue that is lost.